Hello everybody and welcome to our Friday wrap up here at Zilla Wraps. As you can see behind me, we are just about done, close to done with the giant food truck that we started earlier this week. We did the removal and now it is almost done being wrapped, so I'm going to show you guys that. Here you can see pretty much from the side it's done. I think they have a few more spots on it to do, but it looks amazing. This color came out great. Could not have wished for a better look on that. We also have a couple of vans going back here. We have a van for Campbell Electric right here. We're just doing some partial graphics on it. And then turning around and we have Kite cleaners. Kite's cleaners here in Fort Worth. And we are doing the graphics on this van, also a partial. So, from something huge and enormous and gigantic graphic down to partial graphics on these two vans, but they both look really good either way. It just depends on your preference or your branding or your look or what you're going for. But we can do any of it. So you get see right back here, they're finishing up from a white van to a gorgeous. I mean, these graphics look great on this thing. Look at this. Those colors, all these colors in here. This background color is amazing. So, if you have a project, a food truck, a van, a truck, a car, whatever you want done, give us a shout and we will love to take care of you. Thanks for checking us out this week at Zilla Wraps, and we'll bring you some more stuff next week. Thanks. Have a great weekend.